Are you sick and tired of rotten tomatoes, wilting lettuces, softening cucumbers, decaying apples? Introducing a breakthrough in natural science that will solve your problems with fruit and vegetables spoiling faster than you can eat them. Supermarkets and grocers have been using this secret for decades, and now it is available in a device compact enough to fit in your fridge. By absorbing the ethylene gas produced by fruits and vegetables, the refrigerator ball disrupts the self-spoiling process of fresh produce. With the amazing absorbing power of its potassium permanganate coated zeolite, a refrigerator ball can keep your fruit and vegetables crispy and fresh for up to 3 times longer, allowing you to waste less food, shop less, save money, and eat healthier. With its natural and effective ethylene gas absorbing contents, the refrigerator ball does not add anything to your produce, so they are completely safe and natural to use. Just go to the testimonial section of this website and see all the great experiences that fellow Australians had with this amazing product. So what are you waiting for? Order your set of